Candy from Fuzzywuzzypuppies, and these are 3 of our babies that are getting ready to go home here in about a week. This is Candy, Sunshine, and Sweetheart. They've all been adopted. What? Oh, what? They want me. They want to play with me. Hey. See, they like playing. What? Talk to me. The mamas have been waiting for the video. They're running around. Playing. Oh, what? What's the matter? There's your sister over there. Hi! Hi! They hop like bunnies. You guys hop like bunnies. Candy, Sunshine, and Sweetheart. That's who these guys are. Right. Oh, wait. Oh, yes. They hop. Look. Come on, good girls. Oh, they were just running over. Good girls, you guys mind. You guys mind. Yes, you guys mind. Okay, that's the video. Anybody that's looking for an adorable puppy can visit Fuzzywuzzypuppies.com. Our nursery page is Fuzzywuzzypuppies. We have 2 little girls and a little boy that will be ready to go home in about 6 weeks. And then we also have 2 little purebreds, 2 little boys at this time. Our babies come up to date on the shots. They come microchipped. They come with a lifetime health warranty. And they're raised in our house under our feet. So, and feel free to email me at Cindy@FuzzyWuzzyPuppies.com if you have any questions. And I look forward to talking to you. And I hope you enjoyed our video. Bye-bye.